Good day class. In this video we are going to understand what is coordinate geometry. Okay. So chapter number 3rd, class 9th, coordinate geometry. Okay. So in coordinate geometry, what do you mean by coordinates? Coordinate means the place of a point on a Cartesian plane. So now you will ask, what is Cartesian plane? Okay, do you know, let's talk about a number line. Do you know what is the number line of integers, or how to draw a number line of integers? We draw it like this. This 0. Positive numbers are on the which side? Right hand side, and negative numbers are on left hand side. But they are at same distance from each other. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and dash up to infinity. Okay. So we can have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, dash, minus infinity. Okay, so this is our which line? Horizontal line. Okay, now if we draw a line like this vertically, so it will be like this. This will be the origin, and positive numbers on the upper side and negative numbers on the lower side. So when we mix these two lines together perpendicularly, so it will be like this. It will be 1, 2, 3. It is not straight. So I have 4, 5, 6. It will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay. So this is known as x-axis. This is known as y-axis. Okay. This is the negative side of x-axis. So we place it x dash, and this is y dash. Done. So we have divided our plane into 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, quadrant number 1. This is the second quadrant. This is the third, and this is fourth. Okay. In this first quadrant, we already know that positive x and positive y will be there. Okay, like in class 8 or in class 7, we know how to place a point on a Cartesian plane. Yes, in class 7th and 8th, we don't have these 3 quadrants. We have our graph like this. Done. Only this quadrant was useful there. The total Cartesian plane contains 4 quadrants. Okay, this is first quadrant. In first quadrant, when we write a coordinate, we have to write x first and then y. First of all x and then y. So x is also positive and y is also positive. X is also positive and y is also positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, both of x and y are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Okay. So in a coordinate, the first point is known as, which is denoted by x. It is known as abscissa. A B S C I double S A. Okay. And this y is known as ordinate. ORDINATE. Okay. This is abscissa and this is ordinate. So what do you mean by abscissa? Abscissa is the distance, perpendicular distance from what? Abscissa is perpendicular distance from y-axis and ordinate is the perpendicular distance from x-axis. Okay, we can also say abscissa is distance from y-axis and the ordinate is distance from what? X-axis. Correct. So what if we have to mark a point 3,6? 3,6. Where will we mark it? So listen, this 3,6 is this abscissa and this is ordinate. Abscissa is distance from y-axis. Abscissa is distance from y-axis and it is distance from x-axis. Okay, so what is 3? The 3 is abscissa and it is distance from y-axis. This is your y-axis and we have to mark 3 there. Okay, so it is 3. Done. And distance from what? X-axis, which is y, it is 6. So we have to go this. So where this 3 and 6 will meet? Okay, it will meet at this point. Done? Okay, so x is distance on x-axis and perpendicular distance on from y-axis, and y is distance on y-axis and perpendicular distance from x-axis. Correct? So this is our point 3,6. These are the 4 quadrants which we have to draw. Okay, so like if we have to mark some questions like -3,4, -4,3, 3,5, 3, -5, -3, -5. What we have to do? We have to mark all of these. So what is -3,4? So -3,4, x is -3, here it is, and y is +4, it is there. So it will be like this, -3,4. Done. Next is -4,3. This is -4 and this is 3. Done. So it will be there -4,3. 3,5. Both are positive. So this is positive x and positive y. 3,5. This is 3 and this is 5. 3,5. Next 3, -5. So this is 3 positive and -5 will be on the downward side in the 4th quadrant. So it will be 3, -5. And last is -3, -5. So x is negative -3 and y is also negative -5. So we will have the point there -3, -5. Okay. So class, in this chapter what we have to do is just draw these points on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So class, that's from my side. Thank you. And for exercise number 3.1, 2, 3 and you can watch the next videos. Thank you.